We'll make this a quick video. Gary the truck driver. We'll talk about people not doing what they're supposed to do, or just put it all out there. Just people just parking in the road in a truck stop. I parked my stuff at a mom and pop truck stop. Park it at a mom and truck stop, mom and pop truck stop. My goodness, I can't talk. And you have the other truckers. They drop their trailers instead of just pushing their stuff to the back. They just put it in the middle of the road. I don't understand the reason for that. I just don't understand it. I talked to a dude, why do you do that? And he said the ground is unlevel. That doesn't mean nothing when you drop the trailer. Long as it ain't a big drop or a big shift or a big rock or something, that the stuff is leaning real hard, it shouldn't make too much of a difference. But to these guys, this stuff makes a big difference. And they park their stuff in the middle of the freaking road. And it's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. They park it in the middle of the road. They don't care. Other people come in, they got basically take basic action. Cause you can't do nothing around here. And you got dudes parking in the middle of the road, dropping trailers in the middle of the road. It make this stuff hard to get around. You can't get around. And no one seems to care. I think I'm going to have to find me another truck stop to go to. When it all boils down, I'm going to have to find me another truck stop. Talking about ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Why not just put your stuff where it's supposed to be? Bring your stuff back. Get it out the middle of the road. No, too hard to do. But anyway, I'm signing off because this is ridiculous. Keep trucking, guys. Get a truck driver. How we doing, guys? I'm going to show you what it means to not pushing it all the way back. This is freaking ridiculous. See, my truck. Parking in the road. Parking in the dang old road. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh yeah, another PS. This right here make it hard. It make it hard, dude. When you come in, you gotta take basic action. Truck stop, it ain't all that small, but it ain't all that big. They can do better. You parking in the road. Why not just bring it back? I don't understand. But then again, it ain't for me to understand. It ain't for me to understand the stupidity that other people do. I'm not gonna ever try to understand them like that. Get a truck driver, guys. Have a great day.